Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Gifty Paradise and welcome back, my subscribers. I am your hair extension expert. On this channel, I help you make sure you achieve the dream look that you have always envisioned. In this video, we're going to go over how to cut the lace off a lace closure. To cut the lace, I like to use a razor. A razor because it is sharp, it is precise, and it's going to give you a very clean look to it. What I start off with, I'm going to cut straight in the middle. Then I'm going to start on one side of the lace. Using my right hand to have the razor in, I slowly pull the lace up with my left hand, adding friction to it while I slice down motion to cut the lace off. The entire time I'm using my left hand to create friction away from the lace, away from the skin, while pulling up, using my right hand to then slowly cut through to remove the lace fully. Once you do that, you're gonna give the hairline more of a natural blend instead of you using a scissors. If you use straight scissors, it's gonna be straight. It's gonna leave like a very demarcated line where you would not like it. So this is how it should look before you proceed to the opposite side. You do one side at a time, then you're good to go. Again, what we do is we're going to use a razor. I like to use a razor. It's clean, it gives you a precise look, and it's really easy to do as well. You want to take a lot of lace off. You want this to look like scalp. So we're going to start by placing the razor right under the lace. Using our opposite hand that the razor is not in, we're pulling away to create friction to the lace so that we're just cutting off the excess that we need and keeping the lace that is already glued into the skin onto the skin. So this is what we're doing. You can do this same process on yourself, on a client, or on a friend, but this is very simple to cut your lace off. You can also do this on a lace wig. Let's say if you have a mannequin, you put your lace wig on your mannequin. This is how you cut the lace off every single time. You want to use a razor. A scissor is going to give you a very unrealistic look, creating demarcation to the skin and the lace. The razor is going to give you a clean and precise look because you are literally going through and carving out the headline of the specific person. You want to carve through to get the specific hairline of your client. All right, beautiful people? So at this point, the lace is fully cut now. We're going to go over and just make finishing touches to make sure everything looks flawless. I'm using a rat tail comb to push back the hair to make sure there is no extra pieces or extra lace still lifting. I'm going to use the front of the comb to really push down if there's any extra lace that is lifting at that point. Once I do that, I'm going to look at the hair to make sure, does this look good? Is it matching her forehead? Is it matching her skin? Is everything down? That's when we proceed to getting the Gifty Lace Melting Band. The Gifty Lace Melting Band is always going to be your best friend. I do use holding spray, the Tresemme holding spray, before I put the band on. The Tresemme holding spray acts as a sticky layer from the lace to the skin, blending everything together. So I used the Tresemme spray, then I used the Gifty Melting Band. So now this is the second part of the video. It is a texture review for the Gifty Deep Wave Malaysian Mink hair. This hair is so beautiful. The texture is ridiculously soft. The curls are curly but not too tight. It just gives you what needs to be given. I am doing a sew-in using 3 bundles of the hair. You could use 2 to 3 bundles to get a full sew-in, but my client, she wanted her hair to be full, voluptuous, so we used 3 full bundles of the Deep Wave Malaysian Mink hair in 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches with a HD 5x5 Deep Wave closure from gifty.org. Y'all, just look at this curl. The curl is like, it's just gorgeous. It does not tangle because it's not super tight. If you put water inside of it, it's gonna be like a wet and wavy kind of look. And if you wanted to straighten it, you can also straighten this hair, but you have to fully comb it out, taking all the curls out before you apply heat to the hair. But this curl texture is literally what you need. It's an easy maintenance kind of look. You can wake up and go throw some water inside or leave it puffy and very curled up. So we're doing the install right now. Again, 3 bundles is good enough. 2 bundles is actually good enough too. My client wants her hair super full, so that's why we did the 3 bundles. But 2 bundles and the 5x5 closure is perfectly fine for a nice sew-in. You can shop this beautiful deep wave Malaysian mink hair on Gifty, GIIFTI.org. The inches that we're using in the video are 12 inches. This hair goes from 12 inches to at least 30 inches. We have 3 sets deals available, and the best thing about this is currently we're going to be going on sale November 25th at 12 a.m. my 15% off Black Friday sale, which is on bundles, lace, and uncustomized wigs, are going live. You can now get your hand on this exclusive beautiful texture. Like when you touch it, you're never gonna go anywhere else for curly hair. It's not even possible. So I'm letting you know right now, our 15% off sale is going live November 15th at 12 a.m. 2021. All right, y'all, I'm finishing up the sewing in the back, just needle thread sewing the tracks into her hair. And now I'm going to show you guys how the lace looks in the front. My trick to really getting the lace like melted is while I do my client's sewing in the back of her hair. That's why I like to do the closure first, so that I can take time and do the sewing in the back, and doing the whole time it could be melting while I'm sewing. So instead of me waiting to get done sewing, then putting my client under the dryer for her hair to melt, I'm doing at the same time to really get like that super ultra meltdown like we got right now. Tell me this stuff does not snap. Where is the lace? Where is the lace? Whoo! Nowhere. That is Gifty HD 5x5 water wave lace closure. I hope you enjoyed this video and learn how to cut off your lace on lace closure, lace wigs, and everything in between. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time, beautiful people. Bye.